All right, so I just got the Beskar hand warmer. Check it out. Got to get it out of its sleeve, which is always the hardest part of these things. This one came out pretty good. There we go. So that's what it looks like. And they have different colors. You see that? So you guys can do a screenshot if you need to. Put that over there. And so here's our product. Let's pop it out. Oop, there it is. It comes with this little adapter that you can put USB-A to a USB-C. You see it? And here it is. And I think you can use this as a power bank, maybe not. So here, this is it. And right here, we turn it on. It may need to charge, but I'm not getting any lights on it. So I think we have to charge it. Inside of the box is a USB to USB-C. And it also comes with this little handy dandy best wishes. And as always, a user's manual and a little bag to put it in. Woo, looking good, right? So what we need to do is charge it, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to locate a USB-C, which I have right here. And I'm going to plug it into the USB-C port on the very bottom of the hand warmer. And bam, it's plugged in. Now, if I look, I'm getting one blue light. Let me turn this off so you can maybe see it. See, there's one blue light there. So now we just got to wait for all three blue lights to kick in. And then we can go ahead and warm our hands. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on things like this. Our hand warmer seems to be ready to go. Let's unplug it, right? So this is variables, like you hold it, if you push it and hold it, or, different presses, turn it into different modes. But let's go ahead and just turn it on. All right, here we go. See if it's starting to warm up. Oh yeah, it warms up fast. So you can really feel it right here. Let's give it a click. We'll go a little hotter, notice. And I think one more and we get the 3 clicks. Now we're the hottest. Now it's the warmest it's going to be. Oh yeah. You can definitely feel it. So this thing works pretty good. Oh man, it's getting warm now. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Oh, turn it off, press, hold. Bam, done. Peace out.